Now, the other thing we can choose to do if we want to, this is not a requirement, but an optional thing, is you can now go into ChatGPT or Gemini and ask it to create for you an infographic map that shows people that journey that they are going to go on. So as an example, here's one of mine from 2022, back when it was called the Edupreneur Academy. So I, again, had exactly this model. It was a table like this of what all the live workshops were going to be. And I literally just, well, back then I had to pay a human being, I think about $1,000 for this. It was quite expensive. But I got this infographic made where here's the workshops in January, here's the workshops in February. I know this is very small and you can't see it clearly, but I just want you to get the point. I took them on a journey. Here's what we're going to do in March. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Here's what we're going to do in April. Here's what we're going to cover in May. So this infographic actually increased my signups by 300% that year by adding a picture instead of just the calendar on the sales page. It's amazing what can happen when people see the journey they're going to go on and there is structure and can see the value of what they're going to learn. They do increase the conversion rates on your sales page of people joining the membership. So how do you do that? Glad you asked. I'll just show you another one that I threw together for demonstration's sake this morning. Not as good, don't love it as much, but I gave it the Legends Lab and I said, like, make a laboratory style journey infographic with everything I cover in the Legends Lab. Now that's just way too chaotic for me, but it's just an example. So I thought I'd keep it in there as an example's sake. I also, for instance, had somebody who teaches menopause, the menopause journey, and she kind of describes each stage of the menopause journey as the seasons. So I helped her create an infographic whereby people moved from like winter through to autumn, through to spring, through to summer in an actual garden scene. And it changed from all the snow and it changed to the leaves in the fall. And she had her main themes sort of mapped in this garden because of the way she describes the menopausal journey, right? So you can be really creative with this. So the kind of primary prompt for this is you're going to go to whichever thread in ChatGPT or Gemini you've got your new membership plan. And obviously we're going to assume that you're happy with the plan. If you've made any edits to it, chuck it back in. But we're literally just going to say something like this. Please create a visual infographic in my branding that is around the theme of race horses. Thank you. All right. So that's all it needs to be. Now, of course, it's going to ask you what the branding is.